जीवन हमें एक मौका देता है, इसलिए जब भी सही कॉलेज चुनने का समय आए तो सिर्फ मंगलायतन यूनिवर्सिटी आपके बेहतरीन भविष्य और सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए।
United States President Donald Trump unveiled the first look of the controversial Gold Card. Gold Card is the luxury product the United States of America is offering. It comes with an eye-watering price tag, $5 million, which is 43 crore rupees. This fancy Gold Card features an image of Donald Trump and the Statue of Liberty with the Trump card engraved in gold. I'm sure you must have heard about it, and now you have seen it. So what is this card for and how you can get it, and how is it different from the green card? Let's break it down. The gold card is targeted at the ultra wealthy and its price is as extravagant as the perks it promises. This glossy, shiny, light reflecting gold card offers you permanent residence anywhere in the United States.
Hello, everybody. Nice to see you. Hello. I haven't seen you in a while. $5 million. For $5 million, this can be yours. That was the first of the cards. See that? You know what that card is?
Gold card.
It's the gold card. The Trump card, gold card.
Who's the first buyer?
Me. I'm the first. I don't know, but I'm the first buyer. It'll be out in about less than 2 weeks, probably. Pretty exciting, right?
Ready for some questions?
Anybody want to buy one?
You can stay in the United States as long as you want if you pay $5 million to the Trump administration. Donald Trump himself has become the first ever buyer of the Gold Card visa. Gold Card visa grants residency to foreign nationals in the United States. Unlike Green Card, it is not tied to a particular job. A Green Card, officially known as Permanent Resident Card, allows the holder to live and work in the United States. But with the Gold Card, you have to pay $5 million and live in the US. No need of a job or any investment in any form of business. Trump argues that this program would bring economic benefits to the country, as the rich immigrants would spend a lot of money, pay taxes, and create jobs in the United States. But does Gold Card give you citizenship of the United States? The answer is no. But Trump says it does pave a pathway for the American citizenship. The Gold Card immigration scheme was announced amid Trump's mass deportation drive and massive crackdown on illegal immigrants. While no information has been made available yet on how to buy these Gold Card visas, Donald Trump declared that the cards are likely to be rolled out this month itself.